Let's learn how to increase your wealth level on Boloup. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to increase your wealth level on Boloup. So the first step you have to take is to open your Boloup app. The next step is to click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the level option on this new page. Click on level. So it's going to take you to this new screen where you have to see the amount of level. In order to level up, you're going to see the amount of coin you are required in order to get to any level of your choice. For level 0, you are required to top up 0 coin, while level 1 you're required to top up 1000 coin. Level 2 you're required to top up 10,000 coin. Level 3 you're required to top up 30,000 coin. Level 4 you're required to top up 100,000 coin. You can also, from this new screen, see the wealth privilege for each of the top up. So you just have to click on it. You see the wealth privilege frame. Look at it. For any of the level, we have a privilege frame for each of the level that you top up. You're going to see the privilege frame and the background depending on the level that you top up. These are the wealth privilege for you. So guys, I believe with this you'll be able to know on and understand how to increase your wealth level on Boloup. You can just recharge from here directly. Just click on the recharge option and then you'll be able to buy the amount of coin that you really need to top up from this place by clicking on the particular amount and then enter your credit card or debit card details. Follow the instruction properly and you'll be able to buy the particular amount of coin that you require. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to increase your wealth level on Boloup app. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.